Welcome to Lesson 2, a beginner's guide to mastering complementary colors. Today we will be exploring how complementary colors can enhance your artwork by creating depth, contrast, and harmony. Complementary colors are pairs of colors found opposite each other on a color wheel. Using complementary colors, your artwork can achieve depth, shadows, and an enhanced visual appearance. This can result in a harmonious and captivating color scheme. Examples of complementary color groups include red and green, blue and orange, and yellow and purple. This video showcases 3 painting demonstrations: a palm tree mixed with red and green, iris flowers mixed with yellow and purple, and a sunset painting with blue and orange. Red is a warm, vivid color that evokes excitement, passion, and strength. It often represents bright blooms like roses. On the other hand, green is a cool and calming color associated with nature, renewal, or the tranquility of forests. They are 2 different characters, but they can be a best friend when they know how to mingle with each other. When you mix red and green equally, it will become dark, like a charcoal gray. You can make more than 2 dozen family colors from these 2 colors. The final color outcome of your artwork is influenced by the combinations and amounts of colors you choose to mix and use with the amount of water. When starting your painting, choose a complementary color group that matches the painting's theme. For instance, you can select red and green as complementary colors to paint a palm tree. You mix red and green based on the value and color temperature you desire. However, using an equal amount of both colors will result in a muddy and dark shade. Choose green as the primary color for the tree and mix it with a small amount of red to enhance the green and create shading. Add a generous amount of water by using a squeeze bottle to have better control over the value. Utilizing complementary colors in paintings can bring the artwork to life and make it easy to set the tone of the painting. When painting an iris flower, you need to choose a complementary color group with violet as the primary color and yellow as a supporting color. It's essential to note that the outcome of the colors may differ based on the pigments and water employed. The technique used to paint a palm tree can also be adapted to paint an iris. It's important to practice and experiment to determine the optimal color results, as color demonstrations may not be accurate. Remember, balancing complementary colors is key. Too much contrast can overwhelm your piece, while too little can make it look flat. When painting an iris flower, you need to choose a complementary color group with violet as the primary color and yellow as a supporting color. It's essential to note that the outcome of the colors may differ based on the pigments and water employed. The technique used to paint a palm tree can also be adapted to paint an iris. It's important to practice and experiment to determine the optimal color results, as color demonstrations may not be accurate. Remember, balancing complementary colors is key. Too much contrast can overwhelm your piece, while too little can make it look flat. Orange, a warm and vibrant hue, evokes excitement, enthusiasm, and creativity, while blue is a cool, calming color representing the sky and oceans associated with serenity, stability, and depth. Mixing these two makes you find a fascinating range of browns and grays. Adding water gives you lighter tints of blue and orange, like a soft sky blue or a gentle peach. They work together perfectly. If you want to cool down the scene, add bluer. To heat it, bring in more orange. In a color study, they're a feast for the eyes, balancing coolness and warmth. Think starry nights, vivid dance. Try painting a sunset where the orange sun melts into the blue sea. create a tranquil sunset setting where the orange tones of the sun are reflected in the blue ocean. When painting, use a value that ranges between 10 to 60%. There exist other complementary color groups near the orange and blue colors. As shown, a deep yellow was utilized before the orange pigment. This is a natural progression, as deep yellow is a closely related color to orange.